goodies. Thanks a lot, man.
Anytime, sir.
Guys, I'm going to be giving this away probably to you when I'm done reviewing it. So make sure you hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave a comment so I can find you and give this to you.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy DroneXfactor, and today I'm going to the DJI store to order the Mavic Air. Not because I'm interested in this drone, guys, because I already know this drone is not for me. I'm getting this drone just to do an honest and clear review that will help you determine if this Mavic Air is for you. You guys saw tons of reviews already and videos with guys like Casey Neistat, iJustine, and all these big YouTubers who got the drone from DJI 2 weeks prior to guys like us. And you know I will test this from A to Z, back to front, inside and out, and let you know from start to finish what it's capable of, what its limitations are, and you can decide based on the best information that's given to you if this is the drone for you. I'm done rambling. Follow me in here. Let's go check it out. Whoop, switch cameras over here. This is the DJI store, right? Kind of hard not to be. Awesome. Okay, here we go. The reveal, and my favorite color, black. I'm really trying hard to do this honest review because you guys want this, right? I'm really not interested in the Mavic Air, or maybe I will be, who knows, when I fly it.
Oh, you will be.
We'll see.
Thank you.
Goodies. Thanks a lot, man.
Anytime, sir.
Guys, I'm going to be giving this away probably to you when I'm done reviewing it. So make sure you hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave a comment so I can find you and give this to you.